The hardest part is the last mile. Whether you're putting a man on the moon or you're trying to do something, well, bridging that last mile to me is virtual reality and augmented reality, because that is where intelligence, is augmented with reality, and you create something that is fundamentally allows patient to control it, to manage it. So that is why, I think helium is one thing that when I saw it, I felt it would help me. And I think you've already seen that it helped me with the blood pressure.
Today, I carry with me about 25 diseases. I know it's kind of hard to believe. So recognize that you spend 10 years of your life, when you have a chronic disease, just dealing with the disease. So you want the disease to be your friend, because you can't let it defeat you. Somebody asked me the other day how many pills I've taken in my life. I thought about it, and then I finally kind of used a little math and came to a conclusion. I've now had 150,000 pills I've taken. Imagine what it does to your liver and kidneys and everything else.
I think really again, the future of helium is the education part. Extremely important that once people learn, they can follow anything. All my life, understood meditation and grew up on it. Yoga and meditation was part of my life. But I always found something is lacking. Because, no matter how much, as I took on the world and my family and as things happen in life, meditation, takes a second place. Being a technology person, how do you extend it so it's much more real? How do you get into it in a way where the traditional method of stopping thoughts, and all of that doesn't work? And I think that's where a lot of VR work will go a very, very long way. One thing I never do is quit. You're given a choice. And if you're given a choice, why would you not choose to keep fighting? Because the opposite is not good either. Let's say I give up. Then what are you going to really do? Just lay around and do nothing. That doesn't work for many, many people as long as they understand that they have the choice. A lot of times people feel they didn't have the choice. So there are a lot of companies that have now decided to create human wear. My blood pressure and my vital sign, that is one of the biggest chore for chronic disease patients. All the sensors, heating, pulse rate, all of that play a role in deciding how I'm doing. It isn't about accomplishing something as a fundamental change. It is about building a process by which you enjoy life living. So my hope is that I continue every day when I get hit hard. It happened today, it happens yesterday. With one issue or another issue, I come out with a smile and continue the journey.